Hey guys, so today our lesson is going to be over different letters and sounds, and then we'll get into other things like spelling, nouns, okay? So that's all overwhelming, so we're going to start simple. We're going to say some sounds together, and then we're going to put the sounds together to make some words, okay? So if everyone can say ah, ah. What letter is that? It's the letter A. So A says ah, okay? Our next one is B, B. Can you say B? And that's the letter B. Great job. Okay, what about K, K? Like I'm flying a kite. And that's the letter K. Okay, what about F? Okay, 3 more. What about That would be an M. Okay, last 2. S, S. And that's S. And then T, T. Let me hear everyone say T. Okay, that is T. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to put those sounds together to make words. So if this one is at, at. What word is that? At. That's right. Okay, what about at? Bat. Okay, you got to put all those sounds together, right? Okay, what about at? What word is that? Cat. That's right. Okay, what about at? Put it all together. Fat. At. Fat. Okay, last one. Tab. Tab. Okay, so let's say that one more time. Can I hear you say the sounds with me? Tab. 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 Okay, great job. Okay, so we're gonna focus on sounds a little bit longer. I promise we're gonna get to other stuff. Okay, so everyone say ah. Say ah. Okay, everybody say Say like mat. Can I hear you say s? Say s like sat. Everyone say t. Say t. Say k. Say k like cat. Okay, what about this one? Say f. Say f. Good job. That is fat, right? Okay, say b. Say b. Like in bat, right? Okay, we're gonna keep going on sounds. Y'all are doing great, okay? So everybody say am. Say am. What's that last sound in am? If you said that is correct. Okay, say bat. Say bat. What's the first sound in at, bat? The first sound. Okay, you should have said b, right? That first thing you hear is at, bat. Everyone say fat. Say fat. What's the first sound in at, fat? If you said f, you are correct. Say cab. Say cab. What's the middle sound in cab? Sorry, Miss Lane, I almost messed up. What's the middle sound in cab? Cab. That middle sound, that one's kind of tricky, is ah. Say cat. Say cat. What's What's the first sound in cat? K. If you said k, you are correct. Okay, 2 more. Say mat. Say mat. What's the last sound in at, mat? If you said t, you are correct. Okay, last one. Y'all are doing a great job. Say sat. Say sat. What's the middle sound in at, sat? If you said ah, you are correct. I hear that ah in the middle of the word. Okay. For this next part, you are going to write stuff with me. So I will do a voiceover over our worksheet and we will do it together. So you should be seeing that in just a second, okay? Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, now we're going to complete exercise 1. We're going to write the letter for each sound that I say, and you're going to say the sound as I write the letter, okay? And you're going to see me write each letter. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Ah. Ah. What letter says ah? If you said A, you are correct. Everyone say ah. Number 2. T. T. What letter says t? T. Everyone say that sound with me. T. T. If you said T, you are correct. Good job, guys. Number 3. S. S. That is S. Number 4. Everyone say with me. What letter is that? Like in mat. That is the letter M. Good job to those of who said M. Number 5. B. B. What letter do you hear? B. I hear B. So you should have thought of B. B. Number 6. K. K. This one can be kind of tricky. Let's think about the word cat. K. K. Everyone say k. K. If you said C, you would be correct. Okay, number 7. F. F. Everyone say f. If you said F, that is correct. Number 8. Ah. Ah. Like apple. A. That is A. Ah. Number 9. T. T. What makes the T sound? T. Okay, number 10. Last one. S. S. Everyone say S. S. Okay, great job, guys. We're going to skip exercise 2 and go on to exercise 3 together. I'm going to say a word and we're going to spell it together. And when I say the word, I want you to think about how it is spelled. Okay, so number 1, A. You are a student. How do you spell A? We're starting off simple. How do you spell A? Ah. You are a student. It is the letter A. Good job, guys. Number 2, I am at bat. I. You should have thought of the letter I. Good job, guys. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is. This is my lunch. Is. How do you spell is? I-S. Okay, number 4. Fat. Some meat has a lot of fat. Fat. How do you spell fat? F. What comes next? A. Oops. T. Good job, guys. That is how you spell fat. Number 5, that. That is my pencil. That. That. T. What comes next, everyone? H. A. T. That. Great job, guys. Number 6, we're halfway there. This. Is this your best friend? This. How do you spell this? T. What comes next, everyone? H. I. S. This. Okay, number 7. The. The answer is correct. The. How do you spell the? The. T-H-E. Great job, guys. Number 8, R. You are very funny. R. How do you spell R? A. R. What's that last letter? E. Okay, 2 more, guys. 9, sat. The class sat in a group. Sat. Sat. S. A. What's that last letter? T. Good job, guys. Number 10, last one. Tab. He turned to the page with the tab. Tab. How do you spell tab? Oops. Tab. T. A. What's that last sound? B. Great job, everyone. Okay, so that's going to be it for today, but next lesson we'll do exercise 4 together, and that's all about people, places, and things, which are nouns. So we will work on that together next time. So we did exercise 1, which is A says A, T says T, S says S, M says B says B, C says K, F says F, A says A, and T says T, S says S. We did all that together, and we also spelled these words. A, I, is, fat, that, this, the, are, sat, tab. Okay, thank you guys so much for listening. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys soon.